Hello friends, welcome to my channel In-House ERP. In today's video, I am going to show how to print long horizontal data of Excel in single page. This is trick number 2, and for trick number 1, please refer my previous video. I will post link in description. So let's see. First, I'm going to make a raw data that is width-wise long. Like serial number, name, roll number, student category, mother name, father name, etc. This functionality is very useful in office work as well as personal or business point of view. In this video, I will also show you how to make PDF of this data, and I am going to also make a separate video for the same Excel data, conversion of Excel data to PDF format. I will delete this column. Serial number. This is dummy data. Name. Ram, Sham, Lakhvinder, Harvinder. And friends, I am also going to make a video series on MS Word very soon, so that all my friends will get lots of benefit from these tutorials. So this how we make a raw data. Just doing its normal formatting. Now click on file and print. So Trick-2 start. Now first select in no scaling, fill all columns in one page. Now you see. Now click here landscape, and in margins you can select the already defined margins or click on custom margins. Now give here values top, bottom, left, right. I'll give 0.2. To all and horizontally. Now you see data it look great. Now I click on print. The one more thing, when you select print selection, then different data will come. So when you select all these data and then click on file print, now select print selection and the rest as I told earlier, fill all columns in one page, landscape, custom margin, and now select Microsoft PDF and now click on print. Now the PDF will save. In my case, I am saving my PDF in desktop. Now this is PDF we created. Now you see this is our final output. You can print from this PDF or you can print from Excel sheet. So friends, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see trick 1, so please click on the link below in the description box. Thanks for watching this video. Please keep support us. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much.